Okay. Good day. I am from Exile Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Cobel Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Only friends?
Okay, always remind yourself that you come to work here and not to meet up with your friends, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I am healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell or if you feel that something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, our profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Oh, because I work in Malaysia for 7 years.
Oh, so you've
So
been
I,
here in Malaysia.
ma'am, so I want to go back there to work.
Okay, so can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Mary Ann Toriano. I am 34 years old. I came from Sur to La Union. I am married, but I don't have children yet. Um, and then I am college undergraduate of Bachelor of Nursing for 3 years. Then my work experience is I work in Malaysia for 7 years. My first employer, I worked there for 5 years. And then my second employer, I worked for them for 2 years, ma'am.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you first, Cherry Ann. When is your birthday?
January 21, 1991.
What is your height and your weight?
My weight is for as for now is 45 kilogram, and then my height is 5 flat.
Okay, what is your religion?
Roman Catholic, ma'am.
Okay, so is your husband allow you to come back and work here again in Malaysia?
Oh, my husband and I is already separated,
Oh,
but from now I have a live-in partner, but it's okay for him that I go back to work in Malaysia again.
okay. So you are single with live-in partner. So you are no longer married, is it?
No, I'm not. I'm still married because we are not annulled. So
Okay,
still I
but
am married.
oh, you're still married. Okay, but I will still put foot here at single with live-in partner, Laya, because you've been separated from your husband, from your ex-husband. So how old is your live-in partner and what is his occupation?
Oh, his occupation, he is a policeman, and then we are in about 10 years, ma'am.
Okay. So you've been married for quite long, is it? To your first
Uh,
ex-husband?
yes, ma'am. I married around. I am 21 years old.
Oh, okay. But you didn't have any children with your
Oh,
ex-husband.
my ex-husband, he is a OFW before, Filipino overseas worker also in Saudi Arabia.
Oh, so why you get married? Was it puppy love? Okay, so it's okay. So you, according to you, you have a working experience in Malaysia here for 7 years, right? In which how many years you work for your first employer? Is it 5 years or 2 years?
5 years, ma'am.
Okay, what year did you started and what year did you finish to your first employer?
Uh, 2017 until 2021.
To 2017, 18, 19, 20.
Yes, ma'am.
So it started 2017 la January.
17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yes, ma'am.
2017, 18. Okay. So in which part of Malaysia?
Uh, Jalan UK, Persyaran, Selangor, ma'am.
Okay. So is it Chinese family?
My madam is a pure Chinese Malaysian, and then my sir is half Singaporean and half Malaysian.
Okay. So what is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in Malaysia? for 5 years.
My main duty there, ma'am, is cooking
Okay.
and do the household chores, and
Okay.
then I take care of the 4 dogs.
Oh. So you do the laundry and ironing also.
Yes, ma'am.
After this, after 2021, okay,
Uh,
why suddenly you didn't
uh,
continue working with your employer? You've been there for 5 years.
actually, because that time, ma'am, their company is affected by the pandemic.
Oh, okay. So they didn't any chance that they will take you again, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so after that, you told me that you have a working experience another for your second employer for 2 years. What year did you started and what year did you finish?
I work around 2023 and 2023 to 2024, ma'am.
So you finish your contract or no?
I finished, ma'am. My first contract to them, I finished.
Okay, so 2023 to 2024 is 1 year only.
Oh, no, 2022. Yes, ma'am, 2022 because I go home October 29, 2024.
Okay,
So
so
I think
2022 and to 2024
mm,
you work for 2 years. You finish your contract. Is it Chinese family or Indian family or Malay family?
Chinese family, ma'am.
Okay, what is your job responsibilities there?
Oh, my main duty there is cooking also, and then do the household chores, washing clothes, ironing clothes, and then I take good care of their 2 cats.
Cats.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what happened? Why you didn't renew your contract to your previous employer?
Oh, I want to actually they want me to renew, but I don't want because honestly, ma'am, they didn't follow the contract.
What kind of contract that they didn't follow?
Like the off day,
Okay, so
the
they
rest day.
they didn't give you rest day, is it?
Actually, my 1 and 3 months, she followed the contract. She give me a rest day in the
Okay.
house.
Oh.
And then she said that after 4 months, we allow you to go out already la, like that.
Mm.
So, okay. After that, they didn't ask me to go out. And then if my rest day already, my madam knocked my door and then she asked me to do this, do that, and then
Mm.
she didn't give
Uh,
me
uh,
a payment that rest day like
oh.
that.
Okay. So as long as you finish your contract, then we don't have problem, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, but you already know what are the preferences of being a domestic helper here in Malaysia. And you also know that employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. Okay? So, are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but I don't
I
want
think
Okay, but I don't want later that you will compare your previous employer to your recently employer because every employer got different rules and regulations, okay? And you always remember that you were going to sign a 2 years contract and you already knew it that once you terminate your contract, you know that there will be a consequences which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Usage of mobile
yes,
handphone also you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours but instead you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. And you are entitled to have a rest once a week but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, we don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you disagree, better stay in the Philippines or maybe find job opportunities into other countries, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Children, no.
Okay, baby,
No, ma'am.
can you take your elderly people?
Uh, can, ma'am.
Okay, can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Bedridden, I think no.
Okay, so you are comfortable taking care of pets, right? Because you already got experience.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so always remind yourself that you wanted to come and work abroad here because you wanted to sustain your family's needs, okay? In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, you already know it, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Your living partner is in the Philippines, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so normally, how do you fight your homesickness?
Oh, by in the evening by watching that teleserye here in the Philippines, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you know how to speak Malay or Mandarin?
Oh, no, but I can understand a little bit, ma'am.
Okay. So, please stay connected through WhatsApp because Excel agency will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay? Thank you
Ma'am.
so much and have a good day. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.